myself. No, 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 no. Why am I out of key? Can you get me back in place, in place, in place? I thought that was thunder. I was about to say, oh Lord, don't you rain, 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 rain down on me. Won't you fall on me? Rain down on me, rain.
I thought that was going to two roads. Yo, that nigga Trump. Yo, that nigga car.
I'm gonna let the video just, y'all hear that?
I thought it was thunder.
The truck was going.
Y'all can't, hey, you can't be beat like that and look like clouds out here.
Look at Junior talking about the truck was going like this.
Hey, man.
He made everything shake. Every damn thing.
It made me.
I talk to the rain. I don't talk to the lightning at all.
Okay, so look, I can damn. That's what I'm just talking about that lady.